The chevron stitch is probably borrowed from smocking. It can be used in surface embroidery cleverly to create texture and pattern. We work the stitch between two stitch lines. Start by bringing out the needle from the bottom stitch line. Go diagonally towards the top stitch line and turn your needle to the left and come out on the stitch line. Then go in a little ahead horizontally. Come out from the previous stitch point. You get a structure like this. You would continue to move diagonally to the bottom stitch line and keep up with the process. The stitch will look good if the diagonal stitches are parallel to each other. This is a great stitch to work on even weave fabric. I hope you like the way this stitch looks. Let me know if you liked this video, and thank you for watching.